Hello all. Tonight I want to do my April Secret Not Secret Kit Club unboxing kit. This kit was based on the collection Here and There, and I unwrapped it to get to it so a little quicker. So the first thing I'm going to do is go through the papers, which I haven't seen these yet, so like I said, I just unwrapped it. This is Here and There photo op. I do like the cut aparts for the journaling and the postcard. I love the postcard, little camera. This is awesome. There is no end to the adventure we can have. Oh, I went to Montana. That'll work great. Let's go to the mountains. And then this is just, I'm assuming this is maybe the B side. I like that as well. It has a background paper. Oh, I really like this. This is cool. This is pink paisley. This is, the Auburn Lane 04. I'm sorry, number 4. I like the graphic on that. That's cool. Oh, and I like this as well. Arlington, New Jersey, and it's just, you know, newspaper print. Very faint. I like that. That's neat. This one, look like maybe paper pad? No. This is pink paisley as well, Auburn Lane, number 8. This is beautiful, tone on tone floral. I don't know if you can see it. I'm filming at night, so there's a glare from my lights. And I love this side as well. So it's a stripe, but it has print within the black, so that's cool. Let's see what else we got. This. Oh, I really, really like this. This is printed vellum. I like this a lot. So this is my specialty paper. This is crepe paper. Okay, Here and There. Oh, a bunch of envelopes. These are great for cut aparts. But I do like this side as well. I do like the orange. So we'll see what happens with that. This is awesome as well. This is adventurous. All different sayings that I can cut up, or I can use just as, I probably will use this side. I love the words that I can cut up, or maybe I can cut in half and use this as part of a layout. Oh, Vespas. How colorful. This is City Views. That's awesome, and that's also Here and There. Oh, and then the back is, I can cut these as words as well. Oh, but they're all the same pretty much. Wanderspore, here we go. So, I might use both of those as well. This is tour guide. Not sure. It's a map, obviously, with the water. Oh, okay, I see it. I got it. All right, I had a look at it. The pink is the land. That's cool. That is cool. And the other side is arrows. Love it. That kit's going to be fun. We are going on vacation, and we've done a lot of traveling this year already, so I am going to get good use out of this. Oh my gosh. This is this is like a chipboard sticker sheet. Oh wow, this is cool. Oh, we went to New York, so this will work. The subway guide. Suitcases, when in doubt, vacation. Oh, this is cool. Thank you so much, Khristina. Oh, I love it. It's awesome. As I'm unboxing, I'm thinking of different things that I can use all the pieces for. Sorry. These are my 6x6. This is Telegram. And then these are like little badges. British Columbia, France, Italy, South Africa. Haven't been to any of these places. Would love to go to them. So maybe that'll be on my bucket list of vacation areas that I'd like to go. This is Streets. Palace Place, Orchard. I'll have to figure out if they're just kind of fruit. Merry Way. So they're made up streets. That's kind of cool. I like that. I like this paper. Once again, it's orange, but it looks like it has pink to it, but it's just a cool leaf design. I like that. I really like this. I seen this. Somebody did a page with this. Their hotel keys. That is just awesome. That is cool. And then I got black letters and some little journaling or things that I could put besides some embellishment clusters. So that is awesome. Let's see what else we got. I got so much stuff. I love these. These are one of my favorites. They're capital, all caps, but look how small they are so they can fit into little spots. And then this side is gold. It's called Happy Life. And then this side is like a rose gold. These, and you get so many of them. Look how many. Oh my gosh. This is awesome. I love those. Then we got some big letters for those big titles. I think I have a few. Oh, wow. Look at. So we will, I can use these on the big title challenges that I haven't done yet. Awesome. Oh, look, they have little tags too. That's cool. Let's see. And then I think these are rub-on. Yes, rub-ons. So I hadn't had good luck with rub-ons. I don't use them that often. I use stickers, but I will definitely use these and see if I have gotten better at them over the last couple of years. So I like that they're black and white. The camera is awesome, and I love these little postage. So that's cool. I received the whole ephemera pack for the here and there. I keep calling it now and then. It's here and there. But they have all different little trip, explore. This looks like a little ticket. So, oh, the room keys. Definitely cool. I'll be using those. And then we have the bags. Drum roll. What we have here. So this is just a journaling card. Oh, there's a few of them in there, so that's awesome. Oh, concert, the Mitt one. Love it. Love it. It's a ticket. Oh, this is awesome. A little envelope. I like to put my journaling in there, or something from vacation, you know, that we brought back. Like, I wouldn't put seashells, but that's what's coming to my mind. So that's cool. Oh, and another one, adventure. So I can hide my journaling in there. This is awesome too. Now, see, I don't know if I'd put a photo in there. I might put photo and a journal next to it. A lot of things that we could do with this, but it's got a see-through transparency, and then you can put stuff in there. That is so cool. I love that. Let's see, and then that. Oh, that's right. I forgot about these things. I love these little cameras. I seen everybody was getting them, and I was hoping I would get them. I couldn't find them in the stores or anything. So I'm really happy with the little white camera puffy stickers. And then I have some flares, which my string got attached to. That's so pretty. Wild and free. Let's go. Travel life. That's cool. And then I have some string, which I will use. And then, you know, I have the blue pom-poms like this. I have not used them on a layout. Every layout I make, I bring them out and I say I'm going to use them, and I have not. Maybe I can mix the blue and the yellow together on a layout and get that used up. I do love them. I just haven't figured out a good way of putting them on. Oh, awesome. Little tags. So I can stamp these. They're pretty thick too. If I wanted to maybe put some gesso on them, watercolor, but I think I might just stamp them. And then that's probably what the string is for. So we can put the string on there. This is an awesome kit. I cannot wait to start working on my photos from last year and this year. It seems like I never scrap my vacations, because it's always so big, such a big trip, many pictures. So I'm really going to try this year to get these done in at least, you know, the 3 trips that we're taking the first half of this year. So I'm going to make a big effort to get this, and this kit has pointed me in the right direction, and I'm very excited. So have a good evening, and I hope you enjoyed my video.